In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a PDF to JPEG or TIFF images using Adobe Acrobat Pro. To follow along, have your PDF open in Adobe Acrobat Pro. This process works best in the Pro version, and the interface may vary slightly depending on your update, but the core steps are the same and very straightforward. First, look for the Convert option. You'll typically find it in the toolbar on the right, in the All Tools view, or under the File menu. In some versions, it's called Export PDF, but it serves the same purpose. Go ahead and click Convert. This tells Acrobat you want to change your PDF into a different file type rather than just saving it as another PDF. Next, choose the image category. When the Export panel opens, you'll see several destination formats. Click the Image option to tell Acrobat you want pictures as your output instead of, for example, Word or Excel files. This step narrows the choices to formats designed for visuals and ensures you get individual images from your PDF pages. Now, pick your final format, JPEG or TIFF. Select JPEG if you want smaller files, and you're working with photos, web graphics, or anything where a balance of quality and size matters. JPEG uses compression, which keeps file sizes down, and is ideal for sharing or uploading. Choose TIFF if you need maximum quality, a lossless option, or if you're preparing images for professional printing, archiving, or further editing. TIFF files are larger, but they preserve more detail and avoid compression artifacts. After selecting the format, Acrobat will display settings you can adjust before exporting. For JPEG, you can set quality and resolution. Higher quality and a higher DPI, like 300, are great for print, while 150 or 96 DPI is fine for on-screen use. For TIFF, you can choose color depth and compression methods that maintain quality without losing data. You can also specify which pages to export, use all pages for complete conversion, or define a range if you only need a portion. Acrobat will create one image per PDF page, so consider your destination folder and file naming to keep things organized. When everything looks good, confirm the export, choose your save location, and let Acrobat process the pages. The conversion should complete quickly, depending on the size and number of pages. That's it. Click Convert, choose Image, then select JPEG or TIFF, and fine-tune your settings. You now have clean, high-quality images from your PDF, ready to share, print, or edit further.